Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Rainbow Six Siege voice chat and audio issues. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of four steps. The first step, you just need to open the Rainbow game. You just need to go to the options and go to the audio tab, and you need to make sure that your master volume is not muted and set around 40 and set dynamic range to high 5. After that you need to change voice chat volume to 100, and then you just need to scroll down and you can able to see the option voice chat record mode. You need to select push to talk or select open and set the voice chat record level to 100, and then set the voice chat record threshold to around 30. And after doing this, let's move on to the second step guys. The second step, you just need to keep open the Rainbow Six Siege. After that, you go to search menu and type sound settings. Click on open it. You just need to scroll down and select volume mixture, and in here you can able to see the Rainbow Six Siege appears over here guys. You just need to set the volume to around 100 like this. After doing this, go back to sound and scroll down, select more sound settings, select the recording tab, and you just need to select your headphone or microphone and then select set default. Select this option and the headphone will be set as default tick mark over here. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. The third step, you just need to close the Rainbow Six Siege guys we opened before. After closing it, you just need to right click on the Rainbow Six Siege game and select properties, select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. And after doing this, you just need to close it off here. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the audio input and output devices, and you just need to right click on your microphone or headphone guys, and then you just need to select update drivers, select search automatically for drivers, and it will update your microphone or headphone guys. After updating it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.